So we're given this reaction, and we're basically figuring out first the rate law. And so the rate is always equal to first the rate constant, which is found experimentally, times what we're given. And so we're told it's first order with Br minus, so times the concentration of Br minus to the first power. Ignore the 1, no need to put it there. First order with the concentration of BrO3 minus, and second order with H plus, so H plus squared. There we go. And so that's our rate law. And the overall reaction order is the sum of the orders of each of the individual reactants. So we have 1 plus 2 equals fourth order for the reaction. This is pretty rare. This is probably going to be a pretty slow reaction. Now, our next step is to think, what happens if this is triple? So let's say the concentration of H plus goes from 1 to 3. Well, we have a squared here, so the effect of the rate is going to be really going from 1 squared to 3 squared, which is 1 to 9. So in other words, the reaction rate is going to become 9 times faster. Next, what if Br minus and BrO3 minus both get halved? And so, for instance, what if we had initially a concentration of 2 molar and 2, and they became 1 and 1? Well, the product of these was 2 times 2 right here, 4, and now they're 1. And so the effect on the rate with nothing else changing, K doesn't change, the constant, H plus is told to us to stay the same, the rate is going to go down by 4, and so it's going to become 4 times slower of a reaction.